Okay, hey everybody. This is Gordon Cobb here for Music 1130 at KPU, and I am going to attempt to make my very first website using WordPress. Now, I've made a simpler version using KPU's kind of system that they've created for you guys to for them to host your websites for you until you graduate, and then you can just migrate them to the real world when you're done. But they absorb the cost and everything for you. But because it's so new, they haven't actually finalized that system yet. So you guys are just going to make a website using the real world version of WordPress. So I haven't done this yet. We're going to do it together as an experiment and see how it goes. So here I am I just Googled WordPress and clicked on the link, and this is where we are. So I'm going to start my website. Yep. Okay. Oh, there we go. Something's happening. So what would you like to name your site? I'm going to call it Gordon's Test Site for MUSI 1130 Divas. My site will be about music education. What is the primary goal? To share my stuff, to promote my business, to sell products, to make $1 million, and showcase my portfolio. And you know what? Maybe I'll offer some education as well. Bam! Everything. Continue. Give your site an address. Okay. How about Gordon Test Site? Oh God, Gordon Test Site, blah, blah, blah. I want a freebie. So these are the ones that you can purchase if you want. But for now, we just want you to select a free one. And so it's going to have all these silly numbers afterwards. So let's see if I put Gordon Cobb. Gordon Cobb Test Site. There we go. Now it's not so crazy. So I'm going to select free. And I'm going to start with free. Yes. Because KPU will host it for you as soon as they get that figured out. So we are actually going to be the pilot group. We're the guinea pigs for what will probably be a university-wide system that instructors use to help their students make website portfolios. All right, that was just me having a drink of water. Okay, so what else have we got here? Your setup, 3 out of 8. Create a tagline. Okay. Although I didn't make one. What's my tag? Here's my tagline. Learn about WordPress here. There's going to be my site address in English. Ooh, my goodness. Is there like Canada? Oh, Canada. Ooh, there is no Canada. It's very strange that there's no Canada. Okay, I'm just going to pretend like that never happened. Okay. Good. Save my settings. All right. What else? Oh, okay. Is that it? Was there more? Settings saved. So I guess I thought that there was more stuff to do, but whatevs. Okay, so let's put a bunch of stuff in here. That's great. So you can see that there's 2 different pages on my site. Here's the title, and here's that catchphrase. Your site hasn't been launched yet. You can only see it when it's launched. Now, I see over here, here's all the things that I can use to add stuff to my page, or to my site. And I want to add some pages. So, site pages. The pages that we want you to have are basically like an About Me bio page. So let's start with that. About Me. And I have a bio page already opened. Was this it? Nope, that's not it. Okay. Let's click on, open up my bio. So here's a bio that I've written previously. I'm going to copy this. Going to open my page back up. I'm going to paste this in here. Hello. Okay. Nice. So you can see there's my bio. And now if I want to add an image or anything else, we add a block. And so here I'm going to add an image. And I have a bunch of images here that I've pre-selected. Just going to drag that in there. It's going to take some time. And now if I want, I can make it a different size. I think that's probably pretty good. I kind of like that there. And I'm going to move this to the top just by using that up or down button. Great. So now we've got my headshot and we've got this, and I'm even going to add my resume. So I'm going to add a block and I'm going to add a file. And where did I put my resume? Here's my CV on the desktop. I'm just going to drag it in. Do. Awesome. And now I'm going to publish this. Are you ready to publish? Yes. Publish means that it just goes online and then people can see it. Okay, so it looks like it's published. Let's view my page. There I am. I'm famous. Your site hasn't been launched yet. Only you can see it until it's launched. Ah, okay. So I guess once I launch it, then everybody can see it. So now you can see, here's my home. Here's my blog. Let's go back to home. Okay, so here's the thing I'm a little confused about. Manage your site from, yeah, so I thought I made that page. Customize your site, sure, whatever. Thought I added my pages on here and it should show up at the top. Okay, well, that's really confusing. So let's take a look at my site pages. Here's About Me. So it shows that it's here. I wonder why it's not showing up. Very interesting. That's something we're going to have to figure out. But in the meantime, let's add another page. And visibility public. It's very strange. I don't know why it's not showing up. So let's, the next one that you want to have is probably something like your media or my music. So let's say my music. And We're going to put like some videos and stuff. So I'm going to grab. So here's my YouTube site. I'm going to grab this video and I'm going to add a block. Now you'll notice that you don't necessarily see video right away. So if you go to common blocks, then it brings up video, and then you can either upload it or you can upload a bunch of stuff and then grab it from media library, or just type in the URL and it just embeds it right in directly from YouTube. So that's pretty awesome. Snow day with my lovely doggy Summer in slow motion. This is the best video ever. Okay, loving that. And now maybe I want to add, so let's say you could put a bunch of your videos in here. Now I want to add some music. So I'm going to go to my common blocks, add audio. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it in. So I have an audio file here. Your audio files have to be in MP3 format, by the way. What? Okay, so I actually tested this already, and MP3 was a file that was totally acceptable. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna upload it. Maybe let's try it. Very strange. Okay. Let me open iTunes. Let's try, and it doesn't want an M4A. That's bizarre. Insert from URL. Okay, hold on. Let's try something else. That's an M4A. Okay, bear with me here. That's very strange. Okay, let's leave that for now. I'm gonna maybe delete this. Okay, I'm gonna publish. It should have taken that MP3. I'm not sure why. That might be something we'll have to figure out together. Okay, so now I have a My Music page. Let's go back. So, About Me, Home, Blog. Where's my music page? What? Did it not save? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, let's try that once more. My Music. Add a block. Video. Insert. Paste. Add. Apply. My dog is the best. Publish. And publish. Publishing. View page. Okay, there it is. There's home. Here's my blog. Okay. So yet again, we don't see those pages, but I'm just going to keep making pages anyway, so you guys know which ones to make. So I'm going to add another page. And this time it's going to be an image gallery. And this is something that you'll add to over the next few years. image gallery. And I'm going to add a block. I'm going to add a gallery and ask me for a bunch of images. So here they are. I'm going to grab all of these, except one of these was too big. This one. So let's throw that in there. It's going to upload these images. What I also like about this, the settings over here, is you can choose to crop images or not crop images. You can choose how many images in your column, so rows of 3 or rows of 2 or 4. And as soon as this is done, I'm going to publish. So yeah, it's just taking a moment here. One more image. Yes. Excellent. Publish. Publish. Okay. View page. There it is. Loving that. Let's go back to my site and add one more page. And this time, I'm going to make a contact me page. And then here, you're just going to put information like if you would like to contact me, please email gordon.cobb@kpu.ca, I think is what it is. Or find me online at www.gordoncobbphd.com. Publish. Publish. Now if I want, I can also put an image. So I'm going to grab an image here. I'm going to go from my media library. So this is all the stuff I've already uploaded. Okay, so this is obviously their stuff. I'm going to pick this. No, this one. It's a little less pretentious. Insert. Way too big. I'm going to make this 50%. Excellent. Love it. Updating. Okay. Nice. So, in theory, if I could figure out how to get the pages to show up on my site up here. I don't know why they're not showing up here. In all the other versions of website builders that I've used, that's automatic. I think I want to edit this home page, get rid of some of these images that don't belong to me. You're already ready to blah, 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 blah. Home page. Let's go back. Site pages. Let's go to my home page. Let's see. Edit. I want to take out all of the default images. Interesting. Page attributes. Featured image. Set featured image. Let's just go for this for now. There we go. Update. Oh, now what's this? Block navigation? I wonder. Okay. So I'm thinking while I'm making this, I know this is boring right now. Sorry, you guys. I thought maybe there might be a way I could quickly figure out how to add those pages to the top menu. But alas, I cannot. We will worry about that together. Now, somewhere in here, we should be able to choose the theme. Performance, here's all the basic stuff. Time zone, custom domain map. Okay. Is there anything else? Add new site, earn, sharing, customize, themes. There it is. All right. Now, the themes that KPU is using so far, there's basically two that we want to stick with because they're, you know, you have all of these options here, and it's like a vortex. You can just fall into this and, like, never return because there's so many choices. The ones that they're using at KPU are Stout and WP Sierra. And I kind of like the Stout. Let's see if we can find Stout in here, because they just grabbed the themes from this website. Stout, 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 stout. I don't see it. I don't see it. I see a Dee Dee. I see a Canopy. And a Janice. Melody. Ooh, I like Melody. Veggie. Lovecraft. Stout. Do 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 do. Do I see a Stout? So much wasted time in this video. Do 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 do. If I could just find Stout Stout. Is there a way I can search? Current theme feature. This is Radcliffe. Search by column subject style free Stout. And of course it says 0 themes. Okay, awesome. Good to know. So I don't see it. 2016p. Okay, well, you know what? Then that's their issue to sort out. Maybe we can find Stout together tomorrow. All right, so let's see. What else can we take a look at in here? Comments, medias, posts, people sharing, earn. So one of the fun things about working with technology is kind of figuring stuff out together. So tomorrow in class, we're going to make a list of things that we don't know how to use or don't know how to fix. And we're going to basically engage in a group inquiry and try and figure out our way through it. But what we can see is, so far, I just want to view my site. Okay. Yeah. Still haven't figured out how to get rid of this yet, but we will. And it's funny, when you go to the edit page, you don't even see that image. Maybe that's the header? Yeah, it's probably what that is. Okay, so I suspect that what we're seeing here, this image, this come in, we're open, this must be the header. And so somewhere in here we'll be able to find the header and change the image from the header, and we'll just work on that tomorrow in class. All right, so I guess what I'm going to do now is I'm going to launch my site. Oh, poop. Okay, I thought we were going to get a nice easy site. This is your current. So why is it asking me to make a free? Let's just see what happens if we go skip purchase. Free, best for students. Keep this plan. I don't know what that one little step was about there. And your site has been launched. Now you can share it with the world. So this is what I always do. I copy the site, I open up a new page, I paste it in, and I try to see what happens. And here it is. So now you'll see that looks like I can still edit, but if I wasn't logged in, it would probably look slightly different. All right, so this is what I want you guys to do for tomorrow. And hopefully, once this video is off, I'm going to do some research and see if I can figure out how to get those other pages listed up at the top here so we can navigate through. So, but this will at least get us started. Thanks for your patience, and happy writing. All right, I'll see you in class.